Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I have these 3 gorgeous quick and easy DIYs that are perfect for spring. Now first I'm going to start off by transforming the candle holders that I created last week. So to create the floating crystal candle holders, I have crystal dazzlers from Hobby Lobby. Of course I have my hurricane candle holders. Now I'm going to be adding a dab of my hot glue onto one side of the crystal, and then I'll be gluing my crystals to the inside of the hurricane base. Now I do want to give a shout out to Mary, who suggested adding crystals to these candle holders, and I absolutely love the way they turned out. So I did want to go ahead and add some fairy lights to this, and I'll be putting the battery pack at the bottom and covering it up with some crystals. Now this does come with a remote, so it's super easy to turn on and off. And here's how they turned out. I absolutely love them. Let me know down below, what are your thoughts on how they turned out? So next I have these 2 candle holders, which I got from Goodwill. I paid 99 cents each. So I gave them 2 coats of the gold spray paint. I have a candle jar lid that I also spray painted gold, and I'm going to be gluing one of my candle holders to this lid. I also have this ceramic flower container that I bought from Dollar Tree. I have 2 of these, and I'll be gluing those to the top of the candle holders. And I really love the rose pink of these, but I could not find 2 of them that matched in color, so I'm going to be painting both of these white on the outside. Also going to seal these with the Minwax polycrylic, and that is a satin finish. I'm going to be taking these crystal knobs and I'm going to be gluing these to the tops. I love how elegant these look, and they really can be used for anything from storage to candle holders. So let me know down below, what are your thoughts on how these turned out? So next I have this thrift store find, which is just a plastic basket. I did paint this in a white color and I spray painted the handle gold. I'm going to go ahead and remove that handle, and I'm going to be creating one out of pearls. Taking some Dollar Tree floral wire, and I'm just going to be twisting that around this little piece here. Then I'm going to be threading some pearls that are also from Dollar Tree into my wire to create my new handle. Now I'm going to go ahead and twist this wire at the end to secure everything, and I did use a little dab of hot glue just to hold these pieces in place. Once my pearl handle is done, I'm going to be taking these beautiful peonies that are from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be adding these to my new basket. I'm going to be adding a totally dazzled brooch to the front of this basket just to add that extra glam for spring. And this is how the basket turned out. I think it's so simple but elegant. Let me know down below, what are your thoughts on how this basket turned out? That is all for today. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. I hope that you're continuing to stay safe, and I will talk to you in the next one.